The aluminum bending brake really hasn't changed much in the past 20 years, but we're working very hard to change that. Take cutters, for example. Here's a commonly used one. And here's another one. And here's our Innovatools two-way cutter. It cuts in both directions, saving you time and money. And you can keep it on your brake while you're bending. But here's the real game changer. Our Innovatools brake is modular. You can configure your brake exactly the way you want, and you can easily reconfigure it as your needs change. Our brake is available in two different depths, 19 inches, 48 centimeters, and 24 inches, 61 centimeters. We're the only manufacturer offering that range of depths. Want to extend the working length by 3 feet, or even 15 feet? You can simply do that by adding more modules. Do you need to increase the bending capacity of your brake to handle thicker materials? Just add more power plates. If any part of your brake gets damaged, you can get back to work quickly by ordering replacement parts directly from our North American factory. We've also developed a range of time-saving accessories to make your job easier. Our collapsible stand was built for mobility. Each leg can be adjusted independently. Create a level brake on uneven ground and set your brake height to match your working position. The collapsible stand also allows for a single person to transport and load their brake. Our new trim coil holder can be mounted directly onto the brake or used in a standalone configuration, either vertically or horizontally. It can hold a 100-foot coil and comes with a built-in guillotine shear. The Innovatools brake stabilization platform is ideal for bending heavier gauge materials and is used to stabilize the brake with the operator's body acting as a counterweight. It also serves as a stable standing platform on uneven surfaces. Our magnetic measuring toolkit allows you to work efficiently without the need for a pencil or measuring tape. And our material stopper kit is ideal for making repetitive cuts and bends. And we support everything we do with our industry-leading 2 years manufacturer's warranty. That's double what most other manufacturers offer. We're transforming the way you work by designing cutting-edge tools and redefining industry standards. And we're just getting started.